Nike and Supreme once again link up for a release that continues to draw major attention across the sneaker world. For spring 2026, the collaboration moves into Nike SB territory with a skate-ready take on the Air Max CB94 Low, pulled straight from Nike basketball archives. Among the trio, the White and Varsity Red colorway stands out as the most expressive option in the lineup. This pair features a clean white upper paired with bold Varsity Red accents that bring energy to the classic silhouette. Designed with skate functionality in mind, the shoe is finished with a gum outsole that adds durability while grounding the aggressive midsole design. Subtle Supreme branding appears throughout, supported by custom lace tips, hangtags, and detailing that reinforce the co-branded identity. Blending retro basketball DNA with modern skate influence, the White and Varsity Red Supreme X Nike SB Air Max CB94 Low delivers strong visual impact while staying true to both brands. A spring 2026 release is expected, with a confirmed retail price of $145.